Understanding The Last Leg, an English Idiom Explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms, and our focus is on the last leg. This phrase might conjure up images of a race or journey, and you're not far off. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The last leg refers to the final portion of a journey or task. It's that stretch that brings you to your destination or the completion of a project. This idiom originates from the world of transportation, where it described the final part of a trip. Nowadays, it's used in various contexts, from travel to work, and even personal goals. To grasp the last leg better, let's look at some examples. After a long flight, we're finally on the last leg of our journey home. We're on the last leg of the project, just the finishing touches left. By using this phrase, you're indicating that you're almost at the end of a process. When using the last leg, remember it implies that the end is near, but there's still some way to go. It's perfect for situations where you want to express endurance or anticipation for a conclusion. And that's a wrap on The Last Leg. We hope this explanation helps you on your journey to mastering English idioms. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.